The Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender is a remarkable product that stands out in the market due to its impressive features and design. As a seasoned product marketing expert, I am delighted to provide you with a comprehensive review of this innovative blender. The Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender, manufactured by the renowned brand Ninja, offers a range of features that cater to the diverse needs of its users. The blender's cloud silver color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop, while its compact size ensures it doesn't take up too much space. One of the standout features of this blender is its pre-programmed settings, which make it incredibly convenient and easy to use. With just a press of a button, you can activate the blender's preset programs and let it handle the rest. This feature is especially useful for individuals who are always on the go and don't have time to manually adjust settings. In addition to its convenience,